Hey, this is Back Kids 101 back here on our fishing trip. Well, not a little bit of time left. So we're just sitting here. We casted, me and Justin. We casted. We're just letting our lures sit in the water. We're both using some, what are we both using, Justin?
Zoom Super Flukes, Baby Bass, Alabama.
Yeah, so we're just waiting to see if we can get any bites.
We have our lures out there by that stick. A pile of weeds, hoping there might be a bass down in there. There's been a lot of rain lately, so this pond has been filling up. Our ship would go back down because all that grass is. There's a little island. Last time we caught a bass over there. I wish we could go back over there. It would be fun. If you look at our first video, you'll see what island we're talking about. So we're just sitting here watching our lures.
I know. What? That video's catchy.
Because they can hear you.
Who?
The people that watch this video.
I know.
This is Bass Kids 101 signing